Hello student, today we all will be learning about the methyl dopa. So as you all can see the structure of methyl dopa, the nomenclatures include 3,4-dihydroxyphenyl alpha methyl aniline. Without the methyl group on the alpha carbon atom, it becomes the structure of dopa, which is dihydroxyphenyl aniline, from which noradrenaline is obtained. Structurally, methyl dopa is 3,4-dihydroxyphenyl alpha methyl aniline. These physical properties of methyl dopa includes it is white to yellowish white fine powder. It contains some lumps which are easily friable. It is slightly soluble in water, very slightly soluble in ethanol, and practically insoluble in ether and chloroform. It dissolves easily in dilute hydrochloric acid. When a solution of anhydrine and sulfuric acid is added to methyl dopa, a dark purple color is produced. Within 5 to 10 minutes, if water is added, the color changes to pale brownish yellow. Since it is affected by light, it is kept in well-closed light-resistant container. It is being used as antihypertensive. It is metabolized to alpha-methyl noradrenaline, a weak transmitter which replaces in the central nervous system noradrenaline, a strong transmitter. Bradycardia is the result. There is reduction in sympathetic tone also and consequently fall in blood pressure. It is used for treat mild to moderate hypertension. However, its use is coming down because better drugs are now available. In the official are methyl-dopa IP, methyl-dopa tablets IP, brand names are Eldomet, M-dopa, Medomet, Medopa, or Prezinol. The next drug is guanethidine. As you all can see the structure, the nomenclature include 2,2-azocan 1-ethyl guanidine. This is an 8-membered tetracyclic ring, and the structure is known as octahydroxyl. A 2-guanidoethyl group is attached to the nitrogen of the tetracycle, so it can be called as 1,2-guanidoethyl octahydroxyl. It is official as a monosulfate. The physical properties include guanethidine monosulfate is a colorless, odorless crystalline powder melting at about 50 degrees with decomposition. It is freely soluble in water and practically insoluble in chloroform, ethanol, and ether. It is affected by light. Chemical properties include it may be dissolved in water and sodium hydroxide solution. One naphthol solution and drop by drop with shaking sodium hypochlorite solution are added. A brightening precipitate is produced. It becomes violet red on standing. Guanethidine picrate may be prepared by dissolving the monosulfate in water and adding picric acid solution. The precipitate of guanethidine picrate may be washed and dried at 100 to 105 degrees. Its melting point is about 154 degrees Celsius. The stability and storage it should be kept in well-closed container protected from light. It is being used as antihypertensive. It acts by preventing the release of noradrenaline at sympathetic nerve ending. Noradrenaline stores at sympathetic nerve ending and tissue noradrenaline are depleted. Guanethidine has almost gone out of use now. The fishes include guanethidine monosulfate BP, guanethidine tablet BP, the brand name is Eporal, Quethine, Ismaline, Isobaron. The last drug is quinidine. The nomenclatures include 5-ethinyl 1-azabicyclooctane 2-IL-6-methoxyquinidine 4-IL-methanol. It is the stereoisomers of quinine, the antimalarial, so it has same structure as quinine. Quinidine is dextrorotated and quinine is levodotated. And its structure quinidine consists of a quinoline ring linked to a quinuclidine ring through a CHOH group. As you all can see, the structure of quinidine it consists of a quinoline and a quininuclidine. It is extracted from the bark of Cinchona species. Quinidine when anhydrous melted 171.5 degrees. It is slightly soluble in water, more soluble in 80% ethanol and ether. It is dextrorotated in alcohol chloroform solution. It is official as a sulfate. Quinidine sulfate is an almost white crystalline powder or may consist of needle-like crystal. It has no odor. It is sparingly soluble in water, soluble in ethanol and chloroform, and practically insoluble in ether. Quinidine has almost the same chemical properties as quinine. It exhibits a strong blue fluorescence in dilute sulfuric acid like quinine and also answers the Thalekman test. In another test, silver nitrate solution is added to a solution of quinidine sulfate and stirred with a glass rod. After a small interval of white precipitate is produced, it is soluble in nitric acid. Since it is affected by light, stored in well-closed light-resistant container, it is being used as antiarrhythmic. Quinidine is a myocardial depressant. It depresses the excitability of the myocardium and increases conduction time in effective period. It is used in the treatment of atrial tachycardia, atrial flutter, and fibrillation. The officials are quinidine bisulfate BP, quinidine sulfate IPPP, quinidine sulfate tablet IPPP. The brand name have Petaine, Quiniduran, Kinicron. Thank you.